Okay, I made it inside Costco. $59.99 right here. Ends May 10th on the Ninja. If you're looking for any type of blender, I mean, hey, this one by itself, it works pretty good. It does crush your ice into like snow cone ice or snow. So yeah, I recommend it. The Shark, okay, vacuum, $240. Ends May 3rd. And then right next to me, $240. Actually just threw my old vacuum away because I used to have a dog, so one vacuum was for him, the other one stayed for everywhere else. I threw it away. It's a mess. It took me almost a year and a half to throw that vacuum away. $240 here, ends May 3rd, but I do need another vacuum for upstairs. You know what, I don't think I've seen this one, but $240, ends May 10th. Oh, look. Oh, Bug's Life. Real Bug's Life. Look how gorgeous. 65-inch for $1,400. That's so cool. Run! Run! The Conair, okay, garment steamer. I'm actually in the market for one. If you guys know of a good one, yeah, $40 here. I was gonna find out how much it would cost at a cleaners to get something steamed. I need a dress steamed, and it was gonna cost more than buying one. I might as well just buy one. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know. Next to me, $45 on a discount. Ends May 10th. Ooh, I didn't know these had like little holes in them. Okay. LED porcelain lanterns. You will get 2 here. They're $35. These are kind of cool. I bet you this will look really nice at nighttime. You know what would be neat? But it actually had a little bit of constellations in here. That would be really, really cool. On a discount, $140 on the sewing machine. This one does end May 10th. Set of 3 frames, $23. $20 right here on the reversible cotton throw. They're kind of cute. So this one is new to Costco. Okay, the filter shower head, gonna be $140. Filters heavy metals. Let's see, 40% less hair frizzy, dry skin, 81% reduce in hair shedding. I don't know. These are like in the little filters. Huh. $12 months of clean water on per one filter. Is it per one? Because 12 months for that, that'd be like 3 years, right? I don't know if it's like for each. Probably not. $100 on the pool. Okay, you get the electric pump as well. A nice cushiony, floaty. Let me pan out. There we go. So $100 for this one. Pool and patio chair, $75. Okay, I also found this in Costco for $48.99. We just saw these in Sam's Club. Children's tops on the baby short set. These are $20. Actually, I want to say maybe close to the same price in Marshalls and TJ Maxx. Maybe, I feel like over there might be 14 or 16. But you know, it's kind of cool. Last couple years, Costco was splitting this up. So you pay 10 for the top, and then like pretty much the same price, 10 for the bottom, or however much they were charging, a little more, which I thought was kind of crazy. And they also have it for little girls. Well, the short set's 21. Grilled fish tacos. Gonna be a new one. $11.69. Only $8.79 here. We have cookie dough, 3-pack. Made with Oreo and chocolate chip. But I need to throw oatmeal in that because I love it. $8.79. Down here, Annie's Organic is $11.39. This one ends May 10th. $15.99 on the chicken katsu. It does look appealing, but you guys, I bought this last year. I was not a fan. It's not like a whole chicken. Well, it is a chicken breast, but when you get it out of the packet, I don't know, they could be doing it different this time. It just looked like a big mold of chicken. Like not just a chicken breast, like they put together to form a chicken breast. Do you know what I mean?
It was like
I didn't like it.
McDonald's mystery.
Yeah. $15.99 here. Chicken tikka masala flatbread. You get 4. Okay, this one's new. Let's see, fish and shrimp toast. Okay, only $4.97. And this one's gonna be tortilla crusted. I want to say that one's new. 15. Sweet potato fries. A 4-pound bag is $8.99. Sesame and peanut filling. This one is only $2.97. That is like really cheap. I don't know. I've never really seen this here. But you know what I miss? I miss the fish. The little fish custard cakes. Those are my favorite. Nobody liked them, but they were so good. $13.89 here. So they have it in smoothie blend, $12.99. Green chili and cheese tamales. These are vegetarian, made with hatch chilies. These are going to be $15.99. I need to know if they're good. I do love a green and chili tamale by Tucson Foods. I wonder if that's from the Valley.
I don't know. Look at the back.
$25 right here. Hug-a-lumps. Okay, we have this duck one. I don't know what that guy's staring at. Gave me like the meanest smug ever. Okay, we got this duck one, $25. I don't like people like that. This thing, I know a lot of people love it. A purple cow. And one that these girls were going gaga over. These are heavy. They're weighted. I was like, these are weighted. I was like, they're heavy. Look at the hippo. This one. Nope. They took it. The capybara. They had a capybara. I know. She was hugging all over it.
She was only 40.
These are $25. And if you want a fruit decorated pillow, these are $10.99 here. They're fruit shaped watermelon, lemon, avocado. Okay, we dug deep. Way at the bottom, the capybara. And can you believe people are mean to this thing? I've seen so many reports that people like generally hurt them. They beat them up, which is so sad and sickening. Round lab. Okay, this one is $25. Again, we can find this brand in your discount stores, but you're gonna get more here for your buck. $25. A little mini one too. This is gonna be the cleanser. I haven't tried the cleanser, but they do have the moisturizer. The bean is $22.99. And this is such a good brand, but it is going to be for the mask, and it is pretty pricey. $40 for a 10-pack. Now the reason why I say it's pricey because we've seen the blue pack for much cheaper in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. They also carry the bottle serum, so it is going to be cheaper, but depending on what you like. $39.99 here. Super Focus. We have fruit punch and blue raspberry, $28. I have not seen this one. Focus drink with caffeine. How much caffeine? $28. Did you guys hear about that mom suing Alani? because her daughter had a heart attack, but she was drinking like
5 a day.
like 8 a day or something. I could be wrong. She was drinking multiple a day. So it's gonna have 75 milligram caffeine per serving. Now next to me, they also have the Calm one, which is the same price. We have strawberries and cream. So the Calm is gonna be like magnesium, you know. Old Spice aluminum free deodorant on discount, $13.49 right now, and it's on the 15th. Flamingo, we have daily moisturizing lotion, $17.99. Alright you guys, that is gonna do it for this Costco video. Please give this video a thumbs up to help me out in the YouTube world. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.